All right, look at the passage on the board. 2020 paper, Spanish ships in the late 16th century. I have highlighted a few words, a few parts of this passage in yellow and blue. Focus on them quickly. We're talking about nouns like Spanish ships. Is there a timeline? 16th century, 19th century? We are also talking about certain variety of crops from South America to Europe had become reliable backup. Yellow mein kya hai? What is in yellow? People started depending on a certain variety of crop that was brought from some other place to this part of the world. Particularly in Irish was soon almost completely dependent. Third sentence, and again the emphasis on depending. Second sentence, reliable backup. Third sentence, wholly dependent. So great emphasis on this part. They were planting primarily one proteguous variety, further narrows down to which variety. The passage then talks about this variety's genetic weakness, frailty, would be cruelly exposed. So what's going to happen? What happened then? And soon it became evident when fungus attack happened, destroying nearly all the lumpers in its path. Result, very disastrous. Famine killed or displaced millions. Does this passage talk about how to solve this problem? Or does this passage talk about what happened because of this action? More. Cause and effect. If you can connect those dots, then move to options quickly. And options here are A, B, C. Look at these options once on your own. Now, usually people don't choose B and C. It's a short video. So I will want you to focus on A and D. First option and last option. You have to choose between these options. A lot of people choose option A, which is a great option. The direction statement says best reflects the critical message. Last option, relying on homogeneous food sources not desirable. This is your answer. If not, then let me know. This is the answer. Why is this the answer? Because what we learn from geography or experiment in one part of the world, we may replicate if that was successful in that part of the world. If that was not successful, then we may avoid that situation and learn a lesson from that situation. What's that lesson that we learn? We can learn that any foreign plant into a country, the soil and climatic conditions of that country should be suitable. Well, that's a general statement, but does the passage emphasize on this point, which is option A, or the passage emphasizes more on option, on the fourth option, and the last option, D, which is relying on one variety, monoculture, homogeneous crop, reliable, wholly dependent. So things that get repeated may often give us a direct clue and point to the direction of the central idea, or best reflect the critical message. Option A is not as covered, as much covered as option D is, as per the logical organization of this passage. Hope you found this useful. If you have more questions, you're welcome to join our classes or meet me face to face or any of the faculty members here face to face. Good luck. Take care.